Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create multiple YouTube channels via PVACreator. First, select YouTube and add a new campaign. Input your campaign name and the account count here. Account count means how many accounts you need the software to create in bulk for this campaign. In this video, I fill in 3 here. You can import proxies here. We recommend bind one account with one proxy. Then import usernames and passwords here. Next, you need to add an API key here. The 2 CAPTCHA service can auto-solve the CAPTCHA. If you don't have it, please go to the website and purchase. You need to fill in this form if you have recovery emails. I'll leave it blank here since I don't have recovery emails. All data can be empty, software will randomly choose one to use if needed. You can also add content as you wish. For example, if you want to create some personal channels, then you need to type 0 in the type column. After that, click Finish. Click Settings. You can set the number of threads in the thread count column. The number means how many debug windows you want the bot to open at the same time. For example, if you want the bot to open 3 debug windows and create 3 channels each time, then you can fill in 3 here. The bot will continue to register the rest accounts till it achieves the account number. Don't forget to change the proxy type if you are using S5 proxies. Then click Start to run the program. You can run twice or more by changing the first option. If you need to run the program at a certain time, try the second option. The third option is loop run, which means the bot will run automatically to register all the failed accounts again after it finished the task of registering all the accounts. You just input 0 here. The bot will register the failed accounts immediately after the previous task finished. You also can set up the interval time according to your needs. Keep it running and wait a moment. You can click Open Accounts file to check the registration results at the end. Enjoy your new YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.